My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to understand the danger of pop-ups by vitalscanner.com. We discovered this rogue web page, vitalscanner.com, while inspecting dubious sites. This page is designed to promote scams, push spam browser notifications, and redirect people to various unreliable or even dangerous websites. Most visitors to this page, vitalscanner.com, enter them through redirections caused by sites that use rogue advertising networks. Also, such pop-ups may be the trace of certain adware enabled in your computer. So if you see these fake alerts and these scary messages by vitalscanner.com, you should not interact with them. They display pretty frustrating alerts, but once again, don't trust these fake alerts. What we recommend you to do is immediately research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this official page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and then begin thoroughly researching and investigating your system. So Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly stealthily remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.